Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the worksheet 2 of applications of percentage. Now coming to the fourth sum, a man buys 5 dozen eggs at rupees 36 per dozen, out of which 5% got broken. He sold the remaining eggs for rupees 48 per dozen. What was his total gain? What's the meaning? Total he bought how many eggs? The 5 dozen eggs. What is the cost of the egg? 36 per dozen. 36 rupees per dozen. But he bought 5 dozens. Out of which 5% got broken. So out of 5 dozens, 5% got broken. He sold the remaining at 48 per dozen. Now what was his total gain? Profit how much? So कितना eggs थे पहले? 5 dozen. लेकिन he buys मतलब the cost price है ना, purchased, buys, bought, ऐसे सब word आएगा. That means it is the CP of 1 dozen. It is per dozen, means 1 dozen eggs के CP आएगा rupees 36. तो 5 dozen उसने खरीदा, तो पहले लिखो CP of the 5 dozen, फाइंड आउट करो. अभी 5 dozen में से 5% गॉट ब्रोकन, तो कितना बचा वो फाइंड आउट करो. फिर जो बचा है उसको 48 रुपीज पर डजन के हिसाब से वो बेचता है. तो टोटल प्रॉफिट उसको कितना हुआ वही हमें फाइंड आउट करने का है. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट विल वी राइट? इट इज व्हाट इज गिवन the CP of 1 dozen eggs. CP of 1 dozen eggs कितना दिया है? रुपीज 36. लेकिन वो खरीदा कितना? 5 dozen. So therefore CP of 5 dozen eggs कितना आएगा? 1 डजन का 36. सो 5 डजन का कितना? 5 6 30, 5 3 15, 16 17 18. So you got CP of 5 dozen eggs is rupees 180. अभी वो लोग बोले हैं कि 5% got broken. Okay, so total number of eggs कितना आएगा? 5 dozen means 5 into 12, isn't it? 1 dozen is equal to 12. The total is 60. So how many eggs were there? 60. Now out of it how many are broken? 5%. So number of broken eggs, how much? 5% of 60. Total is 60. 5% is broken. So 5 upon 100 into 60. 0 0 cut. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 threes are. 3 eggs are broken. So कितना बचे? Number of remaining eggs. टोटल कितने थे? 60. उसमें से 3 टूट गए तो 57 बचा. अभी क्या बोले हैं? SP of the remaining at rupees 48 per dozen. So SP भी पर डजन दिया है. SP of 1 dozen eggs इज इक्वल टू ₹48, है ना। लेकिन अभी जो बचा है 57 वो डजन के हिसाब से नहीं होता है, तो हमें एक एग का एसपी फाइंड आउट करने का है। 1 डजन मतलब 12 एग्स। सो 12 एग्स के 48 है, तो एसपी ऑफ 1 एग कितना होगा? यूनिटरी मेथड यूज करो। 12 एग्स का 48, 1 एग का कितना है? 48 अपॉन 12, that is rupees 12 ones are 12 fours are. So SP of 1 egg is ₹4. लेकिन वो कितना एग्स है अभी? उसके पास 57. So find out. Therefore SP of 57 eggs is equal to rupees, एक एग का 4, तो 57 का कितना? 4 7s are 28, 4 5s are 20, 22. So CP उसको कितना मिला? 5 डजन एग्स का मतलब 60 एग्स का 180, और SP 60 एग्स नहीं है, 3 एग टूट गया तो 57 एग्स. So overall transaction, that is SP is 228. So whether it is profit or loss, find out. So CP is equal to ₹180 and SP is equal to ₹228. Therefore, which is greater? SP is greater than CP. Therefore, it is profit SP minus CP. That is 228 minus 180. So you get 8 minus 0, 8. 2 means 12 minus 8 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. So you got ₹48 as profit. They have asked what is his total gain. That's all. Profit percent they didn't ask. So answer, his total gain is ₹48. So this sum is also little bit tricky, isn't it? So mark this question also. Now, we'll repeat once again. A man buys 5 dozen eggs at ₹36 per dozen. Means buys CP of 1 dozen is equal to 36. But he bought 5 dozen. So therefore, CP of 5 dozen eggs. 36 into 5. You got 180. Now, out of this, 5% got broken. First find out total how many are there. Total number of eggs is equal to 5 dozen. That is 5 into 12. 1 dozen is 12. That is why 5 into 12 is 60. Now find out how many eggs were broken. Number of broken eggs. They have told 5%. 5% of total. That is 60. That is 5 by 100 into 60. You got 3. Now how many eggs are remaining? Number of remaining eggs, that is 57. 60 minus 3, 57. समझ में आया? So 5 dozen eggs के CP 180 मिला. टोटल 60 eggs थे, उसमें से 5% टूट गए, तो फाइंड आउट कितने टूट गए? 3. कितना बचे? 57. अभी जो SP रहेगा 60 एग्स का नहीं रहेगा, 57 का रहेगा. लेकिन वो लोग क्या बोले हैं? SP पर डजन 48. So SP of 1 dozen egg is 48, means 12 eggs के 48. 57 cannot be written as a dozen. So that is why find out SP of 1 egg. 48 divided by 12, 12 fours are 48. Now SP of 57x. So एक egg का 4 रुपीज है तो 57x का कितना 228. अभी CP 180 है, SP 228 है, तो कौन सा बड़ा है? It is the SP. So find out the profit, that is the gain is 48. I hope all students understood this sum. I know it is little bit difficult, but please understand and do the sum. Now coming to the fifth sum. Rahul buys an Almirah for rupees 2000 and spends 400 rupees as its transportation charges. If he sells the Almirah at rupees 3000, determine his profit percent. It's easy, isn't it? So he buys. Buys means what? The cost price. So CP of the Almirah is equal to rupees 2000. He spends 400 as its transportation charge. Means what? Anything extra expense, that is overhead expenses. जो भी एक्स्ट्रा खर्चा करता है उसको ओवरहेड एक्सपेंस में डालो. It is rupees 400. Therefore, next statement will be actual CP is equal to rupees 2000 plus 400. You get rupees 2400. That was actual CP. Now he sells means what? SP is equal to rupees 3000. Now which is greater? SP, isn't it? SP is greater than CP, therefore it is profit is equal to SP minus CP, that is rupees 3000 minus 2400. 2 zeros, 0 minus 4 is 10 minus 4 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. So it is rupees 600. Now they have asked profit percent. Remember the formula? Hope you are confident of the formula, isn't it? Profit upon CP into 100. Now profit, how much you got? 600. CP, which one we have to take? Actual CP. 2400 into 100. 2020 cut. 6 ones are, 6 fours are, 4 ones are, 4 25s are. So you got 25%. Answer: Rahul's profit percent is 25%. So Rahul made a profit percent of 25%, isn't it? Comparatively, it was a direct question. Only that second and fourth sums in this worksheet, they are little bit tough. Please solve those sums 2 or 3 times so that you are confident of those sums. Is it okay? Bye. Thank you for watching the video.